Howdy and welcome to the tutorial on how to properly navigate Education Abroad's previously approved transfer credit courses. This document serves as a resource to illustrate some of the different types of courses past Aggies have been approved to take abroad and therefore can inspire other Aggies to pursue similar experiences. To find the document, go to abroad.tamu.edu. Go to Start Here, Understanding Program Types, and it will be in the transfer credit section of both affiliate providers and exchanges. This link will take you to a PDF that explains the purpose of this project, what's included, how to search, and some disclaimers. After you've read through the PDF, click this button to take you to the spreadsheet. You'll notice this document is separated into two tabs, one for affiliate providers and one for exchanges. This spreadsheet includes pre-approval information on affiliate providers from 2018 to present and exchange information from 2015 to present. Both tabs include sortable columns to break down the information. There is the college and major of the participant when they studied abroad, the approved course/degree area at A&M that they could take abroad, the host university provider's course number and title, the program name, link, and location, the approval year, and finally the university that issued their transcript. To make your searching more efficient, utilize the Sort feature in Google Docs. Start by clicking on the filter icon, and then Create New Temporary Filter View. This will allow you to sort the spreadsheet by specific columns. So let's say I'm an engineering major who wants to study abroad in Spain. I want to know what are some specific courses that I could potentially get approved to take abroad and who could get me there. Since this is kind of specific, I'm going to look at the affiliate providers. Firstly, I'm going to sort by college, so I click these three lines, Clear, and then scroll down to Engineering and hit OK. Next, I'm going to look at the location. I hit these three lines, Clear, I'll search Spain, select all, and hit OK. Now I can see some of the affiliate providers that potentially can get me to Spain as an engineering major. If I'm interested in these providers, I can just click their link and then explore more of their programs through their website. Now let's say I want to do a semester exchange with one of our exchange partners. And I'm looking to fulfill some of my minor courses, so I want to see where I could potentially take history classes. I'll go to the Exchange tab, create a new temporary filter view. Then I'll go to the approved course/degree area at A&M, hit Clear, search History, select all, and hit OK. Now you can see some of the history credits that students got approved to take through our partner institution. You can sort even further to make things more specific, or keep it broad and explore the spreadsheet that way. As you can see, the possibilities are endless for what you can do with an Education Abroad experience, so I hope you get inspired and go abroad. Happy searching, thanks, and gig 'em!